Hey everybody, keeping with our Lego theme and using our imagination, we decided we wanted to make a
Komodo
Komodo
dragon. I'm
dragon.
finishing him up with
Finishing
his
him up right now?
last leg.
This is how we envisioned him with our Legos. What's the white thing on the front?
That's his tongue.
Oh, okay. And, and what do we know any facts about Komodo dragons?
That they're poisonous, they're cannibals, and they live in one island of Komodo. Not all of them, only one island of the archipelago. And plus, I know only one of those islands is big enough to be on the world map.
Oh, okay.
Which is the one with Komodo the Komodo dragon, of course.
Oh, okay. Very interesting. Well, it's very inventive. And we like using our imagination. Yes, check out the tail.
It can move, he can swim.
And it can come off.
Yes, it can.
Do Komodo dragons lose their tails and grow them back?
I don't think so.
Okay. Like
They're carnivores after all, so I wouldn't think they could do that.
Oh, okay.
Plus, there's not eagles around to eat them. They would eat the eagles instead of the eagles eating them, I would think.
Very interesting. All right, everybody.
I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye-bye.